Hey everyone, it's Matt with Midwest Brickstain. Today I want to do a long overdue video, so let's get started. We're getting more calls, more email requests every year. It keeps increasing, so thank you so much for the questions and inquiries. We are here for you, so that's first and foremost. Where we differ from most of the companies out there. So we do the masonry restoration, we do chimneys, and then we also do brick staining. When you combine all those facets, predominantly my partner and I, or when Vince goes out, for example, we look and assess your entire area. So it's very important to know that when you actually stain your property, that you know, number one, what you're doing or who is doing the work. And number two, if there's any problematic areas, that it's brought to your attention beforehand, not after effect. So moisture issues, water damage, your masonry, your mortar may be in question, your chimney may be built incorrectly, which may lead to other issues down the road. These are important facets before you spend your hard-earned money. So we like to give you the before versus staining and doing the after. So we're not a fly-by-night painting company that's going to go out there, take your money, and then a year goes by, something's wrong, they're never to be heard of from before or after, or you have a masonry issue that should have been caught beforehand. So we take these things seriously, and that's where we really differentiate ourselves from the rest of the pack. We're getting more and more requested projects where we're actually fixing other brick staining or painting companies' work. We're seeing mismarketed projects where they put down that they're going to use a brick stain, and later we find out they actually use paint. So there's a lot of cookie cutter-ish items going on. The actual market share is taken off, obviously. There's more people that are using our phrase, stain it, not painted. And we're very thankful for that we're actually making a difference using the right products for the masonry. At the same time, the more popular that it gets, obviously you're going to have a lot of cowboys jump into the sector and either use whichever product, or they're going to be using, for instance, stains, diluting with water. As I mentioned in other videos, you should not, and at all given moments, you should never dilute any of our products with water. That's where our primer comes in, and it's only up to 10%. The other facet that comes in is we primer all of our buildings. So if you have an installer that will start staining on day one, you need to ask, hey, are you using a primer? It makes a world of difference before you actually begin the project. The primer works as an extra layer of glue, and it's going to prevent streaks, and it's going to give you a better final product, and most likely up to 2 coats. So when we talk about staining, we want to obviously prime the product first, and then we want to stain it at least 12 to 24 hours. We follow the same suit when we sell our products as well. So this is where we stand out from the rest of the pack. We're able to assess, is your liner on the chimney proper? Is your chimney properly built? Is your masonry in adequate condition? And then we get to the brick staining stage. Please reach out to us for more information. info@midwestbrickstain.com. Thank you.